In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear or remove filter in Excel. If you are working with a filtered table in Excel, there are a couple of simple ways to remove or clear that filter depending on what you want to do. You can clear the filtered results while keeping the filter drop-down arrows in place, or you can remove the filter buttons entirely. I will walk you through both options. First, click anywhere inside the table where the filter is currently active. This helps Excel recognize which filtered range you want to work with. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Once you are there, look over to the far right side of the ribbon and find the Editing group. Inside that section, click the Sort and Filter icon. This opens a menu with several filter-related options. If you want to remove the current filtering but keep the filter icons available, click Clear. This will reset the filter and show all of your data again, but the filter buttons will stay on the column headers so you can use them again later. This is useful when you only want to remove the active filter settings without turning filtering off completely. If you would rather remove the filter buttons entirely, open that same Sort and Filter menu again and click Filter. This turns filtering off, which means the drop-down arrows on your column headers will disappear. Your data will still remain visible, but the table will no longer have filter controls shown. There is also a way to clear the filter from just one specific column. To do that, find the column header that has the small funnel icon. That funnel tells you a filter is active on that particular column. Click the funnel icon next to the column name to open the filter menu for that column. In that menu, click Clear Filter From, followed by the name of that column. This resets only that one column and leaves any other filters in place. That is especially helpful if you are working with multiple filtered columns and only want to remove one of them without affecting the rest of your table. So to recap, use Clear from the Sort and Filter menu to remove filter results, but keep the buttons. Use Filter from that same menu to remove the filter controls entirely, or clear a single column directly from its header menu. That covers everything you need to know.